Hello and welcome to Greetingstar. I'm so glad you could join me today. So this is the card that I'm making today, and I use supplies from the Spellbinders Fall Traditions Collection that was released just this fall of 2021. This cute little die is called Happy Turkey Day, and it has several of these little pieces here. Now, something that occurred to me with these two feathers, I thought you could also use those for butterfly wings or for a heart or even for a Christmas tree. If you cut several of them and stack them up together facing, downwards, that would look like a Christmas tree. So lots of options here. Okay, and then also you get to see this cute little image on the back that gives you kind of a guide to how to create that. And then I also purchased the embossing folder here. This is the Falling Leaves embossing folder. I love these leaves, they're so pretty. And you can use this as an embossing folder. You can also apply ink to it and run it through your die cutting machine, and it'll transfer the ink to your paper. So that's lots of things you can do with embossing folders. And then I also picked up these stamps. Now, I don't think these ones are new. These are from Fun Stamper's Journey. I also got those on the Spellbinders website, but I like these two. It's a coordinating die set that goes with it. So I'm going to use these supplies along with my traditional scalloped oval that I've had for forever, and that's also a Spellbinders die. So you can see I've already stamped it and ran everything through my die cutting machine and everything. I'm just going to lay this out here for you. It's a pretty quick process once you get all the dies cut up. One of the things I did was I had to go ahead and rearrange things a couple times because the turkey, I had it too low, and then I needed it a little bit lower, a little bit higher. I just moved it around a few different times because that Give Thanks was going to be covered up by the turkey's hat, which you'll see in a little bit. But anyway, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some music and let you enjoy watching this video while I'm making everything. And then hope that you will be inspired to create something for fall or something fun. Creativity is such a great thing. I love making cards because it's just such a good thing to do. If you're stressed or anything else, it really takes away a lot of stress, and it's lots of fun. So I hope you'll enjoy this video and also be inspired to make something yourself. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Thanks so much and have a wonderful day.